Yeah, as of today, we just received po moments ago a copy of the resolution from the City Prosecutor's Office dismissing the complaint that was filed by the PNP against my client Saturnino de la Cruz.
So walang basehan sir, ano?
Yeah, wala po. It is so nice na meron yung mga video recording that was able to prove the innocence of our client po.
So may sariling video ng PNP na pinakita sir?
Pinanood namin yung video recording, wala naman talaga.
Ah.
Kulang-kulang, mas kompleto pa yun sa amin kaysa yun sa kanila.
So can we enlighten the public sir na hindi bawal mag-video pag during mga ganong situation sir?
Yeah, it is very important na if there are instances like this, hindi po bawal ang mag-take ng video. Ongoing man yung police operation or after the police operation, it is the right of the public. Like in this case, kung walang nag-record yung kaso ni Mr. De La Cruz, siguro hindi pa kami nanalo within the prosecutor's level. But because of the overwhelming evidence that we have, we were able to picture what really happened. We were able to refute all the allegations made by the PNP that led to the dismissal of the case.
So yun ang nagpanalo sir sa kaso dahil may sa video recordings?
Yeah, because of the video recordings, it was of big help yun kaso namin. Dahil nakikita na doon lahat ng mga contrary to human experience na actions ng mga kapulisan natin, at the same time their witnesses and their evidence. Then meron po tayong tinatawag na a picture speaks louder than 1,000 words. So, kung may video recording of a certain incident, hindi mo na kailangang magsalita yung opposing parties, hindi na, panoorin na lang yung video recording, and there we will be able to come up with the real incident that happened. So I am encouraging the public. It is important that we are proactive. We need to help the public of knowing what really happened. Just imagine kung hindi naka-video record itong nangyari sa peryahan. I wonder kung makakalusot si Mr. De La Cruz within the prosecutor's level po.
Sir, hindi na naging issue kung altered o edited yung video?
We all know that it is not altered, it is not edited. That's why in my privileged speech, I am cautioning the PNP from releasing such a statement, because it just shows how incompetent our police force if they are going to say that it is edited when in fact it is not edited. We must be responsible with our wording so that the public's trust to us as a government officials or employees or the PNP as an institution, hindi nila sasabihin na ang trabaho puro planting. Hindi po. The public will surely regain trust to the institution itself if only we are honest and we do not undermine the intelligence of the people.
So anong desisyon ng client sir? Hindi na siya magsampa ng countercharge against the PNP?
As of now, I do not know what is the stand of my client, but sa amin sa Sangguniang Panlungsod, we already endorse ito di NAPOLCOM. Nag-investigate na po si NAPOLCOM. So we are going to submit a copy of this resolution to the NAPOLCOM for their appropriate study. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of evidence that we could present in order to prove the innocence of Mr. De La Cruz. Pero overwhelming na yung mga video recording. So, I wish that our police force, whenever they will conduct a police operation, gamitin sana nila yung mga body-worn camera, paano nila rin na-cover yung baril, paano nila nakita yung baril. Hindi lang po yung sasabihin nila nakita namin yung baril, wala naman ebidensya na magpapatunay po.
Ilang police po sir yung sa ilalim sa investigation?
There are more than 10 police officers involved in this operation. So they will all be investigated. We were able to submit to the NAPOLCOM all the police officers who were present within the vicinity, and they played a vital role in the apprehension of Mr. De La Cruz.
Yung video recording sir nasa hawak na ng NAPOLCOM?
Yeah, we handed copies of various video recording to the NAPOLCOM for their appropriate action.
Kumusta na po yung client sir? Hindi naman siya parang naging naapektuhan kasi naging viral yung video sa sa social media.
Like anybody else who will just be arrested na wala kang kasalanan, traumatic. So very cautious na siya ngayon, nagpalagay ng maraming CCTV sa surrounding ng bahay nila, and of course very cautious yun paglabas-labas niya because we don't know if there will be another incident that will happen in the future.